This video will show you how to fix the project file cannot be opened. Make sure the selected file is a valid .tscproj file error. Do you get this error message when you try to open a Camtasia project to continue work? The project file cannot be opened. Make sure the selected file is a valid .tscproj file. This error can happen unexpectedly even if you had created a valid tscproj file. In our case, it happened when the computer shut off while we were working on a project. We couldn't open the project file although we saved it before the computer shut off. We tried opening the project files many times, but the error message still appeared. If you face the same problem, here's how you can fix the problem. The first thing you want to do is to try and recover an autosave version of the file and open it. Camtasia autosaves your project every now and then in case your computer crashes. So, where do you find the autosave version of your project file? On Camtasia Studio, click on the Edit menu. Then go to Preferences. Under Autosave, open the Autosave folder. See whether you can find the autosave version of your project. If you find it, click on it and open your file. If you don't, move on to the next fix. Let's create a new project first. Save the project and close it. Next, go to the original project file. You should find all the files you used in the project when you click on it, including your Camtasia recordings. Copy all the files to the new project except the project file. Then, open the new project. Next, import the files that you copied to the new project. We'll import Camtasia recordings and stock files. The other files are already in the template. Click on the plus sign near the More button. Then, choose Import Media. Import the necessary files. You can now drag the necessary files to the timeline. This will save you the trouble of having to redo your screen recordings. This is not the perfect solution, but is a time-saving solution to recover your corrupted project. The project file cannot be opened. Make sure the selected file is a valid tscproj file error is a frustrating problem, especially if you have edited a long video and can't open the project. Here are ways you can avoid the problem in future. Always exit Camtasia Studio before shutting down your computer. If you're working on a long video, export the whole project and keep it on an external drive or cloud storage. That way, you can always import the project and continue working on it. Also, make another copy of the project and then exit it. At least you'll have a backup copy that you can open in case the original file is corrupted. We hope the above fixes work for you.
Simply click the link below to learn more.